We're going to turn to the battle over abortion rights. The fate of the landmark Roe v. Wade decision now in the hands of the Supreme Court after hearing arguments about the Mississippi law aimed at overturning it. Terry Moran has the story.
This morning, the Supreme Court appears primed to upend Roe v. Wade, a move that would transform and maybe even eliminate a woman's constitutional right to an abortion in the United States. Activists for and against abortion rights faced off, thousands protesting on the court's steps. Meanwhile, inside, the 6 conservative justices signaled they're inclined to uphold a Mississippi law that would ban most abortions after 15 weeks, with no exceptions for rape or incest. Right now, Roe and other cases prohibit states from banning abortion before fetal viability. That's about 24 weeks. But the Mississippi law would halt abortions 2 months earlier. Chief Justice John Roberts suggested the Mississippi law provides women with sufficient time to choose.
Viability, it seems to me, doesn't have anything to do with choice. But if it really is an issue about choice, why is 15 weeks not enough time?
Justice Brett Kavanaugh asked whether abortion should be left to the states, which would mean overturning Roe altogether.
Why should this court be the arbiter rather than Congress, the state legislatures, state Supreme Courts, the people being able to resolve this?
Kavanaugh changing course from his 2018 confirmation hearing when he declared precedent-protected Roe as settled law. But now Kavanaugh noted ominously the court has often overruled major precedents. The liberal justices fired back, worried that overturning or gutting a decades-old precedent like Roe would subvert the court's legitimacy.
Will this institution survive the stench that this creates in the public perception that the Constitution and its reading are just political acts? I don't see how it is possible.
A ruling in this case is expected at the end of the court's term, probably next June. Michael?
And Terry, what could it mean if the Mississippi law is upheld?
It would be huge, Michael, no question about it. There are a dozen states, at least, with laws ready to go. If the Supreme Court either overturns or guts Roe versus Wade, you would have a patchwork of access to abortion across the United States. America, come June, could look very, very different for women and for reproductive rights. Michael?
All right, Terry Moran, thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.